Hello and welcome to my exploring craftsmanship video about sushi. The history of sushi in Japan began around the 8th century. The original type of sushi was first developed in Southeast Asia as a means of preserving fish in fermented rice. In the Muromachi period, people began to eat the rice as well as the fish. During the Edo period, vinegar rather than lacto-fermentation was used to sour the rice. In modern times, sushi is a form of fast food strongly associated with Japanese culture. An interview with the sushi master from The Hague.
Hi, my name is Martin. I'm from The Hague University and I'm doing a video about sushi, the craft of sushi for my exploring in craftsmanship class. So, I'm here to take a little interview about you, about the craft.
Alright.
Can you introduce yourself to the camera?
Yeah, I'm Ming Shi, and I've been making sushi for 1 year here at Sushi and Me in The Hague.
Yeah?
And
How long does it take to learn to make sushi?
well, it really depends on the person itself, I think.
Yeah?
And if you want to learn, it's a lot of practice.
A lot of practice. Practice is the key.
And, eventually, it's the key for making good sushi, I think.
What type of preparations do you make for your sushi? Like, you boil the rice first?
Well, it's the whole process, right?
Yeah.
You have to do also the purchasing and the preparation itself. The rice has to prepare it very well, and fresh ingredients. Those are really things for making good sushi.
So my next question is, there a secret to a good sushi? But yes, it's the ingredients.
I think the biggest secret is the rice.
Yeah?
Rice. A lot of different sushi shops make their rice different. And there's taste for everyone is of course different, right? But I think personally, I think the rice is the most important because it's used in every sushi thing you make. So it has to be done well. And next to that, if you add fresh ingredients, it should be a good product.
What is your favorite sushi to make?
For me to make, personally, it's the easy one, of course. If I make easy ones, I'm also... well, the thing is, it's about the whole process. So an order comes in, I look at the order and see what's easy to make and make the easy things first, right?
Yeah.
And I leave the harder things for later, and then have to also always check the time and how to schedule everything. So it's not only about what my favorite sushi is to make, but also the whole process. So yeah, the makis would be for me the easiest to make. It's the ones with the seaweed on the outside. So.
Do you experiment sometimes with the sushis, like your own types, or?
Sometimes, if I think it would be tasting good, I add or remove some ingredients and then taste whether it's good or not.
Wow, okay, that's nice. How do you imagine the future of the sushi craft?
I think it's very dynamic these days, right? If you look back in, like, for food in the Dutch market for the last 15 years, a lot has changed. Like, before there weren't that many delivery or catering services, and if you look these days, it's everywhere. You go online, you can order anything you want.
So it's expanding.
It is expanding, yes, and it's a very competitive environment. So eventually the quality of the product will go up.
Yeah.
So you have to make good sushi to be able to compete with others.
Thank you very much for your time and your interview.
You're welcome.
Very well appreciated.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, due to the increased worldwide population of sushi, tuna and salmon mainly face the possibility of extinction in the next 50 years if the sushi trend continues to rise. Special thanks to the Sushi and Me Den Haag for helping me create this video. Thank you for watching.